Yo, I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to throw the water bottle on there. How's it going, everyone? My name's Quelsty, and I'm going to be playing this game called Fears to Fathom. Episode 1, Home Alone. Oh my lord, what? Yeah, shut. Oh, there we go. I woke up at around 8 after a nap that evening, 8 p.m. a.m.? After a nap that evening. Oh my god, ain't no way you woke up at 8 p.m. Oh shit. Oops. No need to order anything. Already made you lasagna this morning. Check the fridge. Oh, what did I say? Dad and I may be back Sunday evening. Why are you being so paranoid? I'm 14. Oh shit, there's a whole ton of messages. Wait, when are you guys going to be back? Dad and I are going to be back on Monday, honey. Didn't I tell you that yesterday? Cool. Take care, honey. Sleep on time. I hope you'll get the Xbox like you promised. Oh, man's a rich boy. I already know he's rich. Look at this house. This is a double bunker house. Damn, this neighborhood is rich. Oh my lord. I would want to live in one of these houses. Hey shit, if your attic isn't occupied, I'll take it. Damn, that's the good stuff. That's the good stuff. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Food was cold. Stove it up. Oh shit. Food was heating up. Oh yeah. Gotta read a couple of messages. Can I invite Mason and Josh over for the night for homework? Of course you can. Call me if you need anything. Make sure to check it's them on the door before opening it. Check through the blinds. Take care, honey. Sure thing, Mom. Dad and I may be back by Sunday evening. Yeah. Food was nice and hot. I liked watching TV while I ate. Alright, where's the TV? Wow, that is so abstract. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. The Bahamas. Yeah. Oh yeah, I probably should sit on the sofa. Yeah. Yeah. Do I have to turn on the fucking TV? You're joking. What the hell? What the hell? Man's a robber. What is that oily sack on the back of his thing? Ain't no way I'm eating the whole lasagna. There's no way. That's like a whole ass meal. That's for like a family of 20. This man is really about to turn into queso after like overnight. I was already feeling very sleepy after eating the food. I sure was. Oh shit. You already know I ain't about to clean that. Keep that shit, keep that shit on there. Yo. Mason Oliver. Yo. What's good, Mason? Okay, call Josh too. I can't promise, dude. May have plans with Nat. We're gonna have to call it off, man. Something just came up, but you gotta come to Jessica's tomorrow. Shit. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'm sorry, Miles. Good to see you tomorrow. Nah, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. I ain't even looking at this text. Leave him on unread. I remember I had homework to do before going to bed. Yeah. 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 This is not me. I ain't ever doing homework. I got done with the homework for the day in about a few hours. Hell nah. A few hours is crazy. That's some diabolical work. Yo, Mom, what's good? Don't stay up too late, you kids. Kids? Shit, oh, the friends. That's right. I shouldn't get to hear from Miss Paula this time. Man, we about to doof it up in here. Turn the alarm off? No. Okay, I gotta get some water. Alright. What the hell is this? Oh, hell no. Oh, I got chills down my spine. I heard that. There's someone here. No balls, no balls. No balls! Oh my god. Oh no. No. Oh, wait. Holy shit. Alright, they stopped. Okay, full caveman it. Caveman it. You don't need a glass. Alright, get the goblet. Why have we got a goblet? We got some fresh water? Damn! Jesus Christ. So we got some Coca-Cola, yeah, drink up. Why is there just a whole bunch of sausages all just inside the bottom? That's crazy. Oh. Alright. Yo. Alright. Let's get back to bed. Maybe watch a little bit of movie. Where should I put the empty bottle? That's the question. Shit. I'm too lazy to throw that in the bin. Get back to bed. Who's that at the door? You there? Alright. It's about time we investigate. It is about time. Oh, hell no. We got 2 pictures of the Bahamas. We got 2 pictures. Yo, I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to throw the water bottle on there. Oh my god. I'm gonna look again. Oh shit, he's gone. I'm done for. I still gotta find a hiding spot. Oh, behind the couch, I'm a genius. I'm actually a genius. You kids lock every door and hide in your room. Hide in my room? Oh my god. Don't answer the door. What do you mean I just answered the door? Oh, I'm so dead. I am so dead. Please don't be here. Oh. God damn. Oh my god. Hide. Yes. Oh my god. Please don't be behind me. No. Oh, this is the worst idea I've ever done. Oh, they're at the door. Alright. He's ringing at the door. Yo! It's Paul at the door. Okay. Are you serious? Okay. Alright. Oh! Why does it sound like I'm creaking the floor? Oh my god. Alright, the game just like closed down after that. It just fully closed down, so I had to reopen it up just to be able to get back to the title screen. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video. You better like the video. I get too scared for this shit. I can't handle horror games. I may have to stop playing them, ain't gonna lie. Not good for my heart. Alright, subscribe too. Subscribe to my channel. You better subscribe.